it's Erica. Right now I am at Foothill Nursery, which was a nursery recommended to me by a subscriber to check out because they said they got really cheap plants here. So I'm hoping to find some really cheap plants that I can take home with me. Okay, so far this is really big. Wow, oh my gosh, you guys, this is really cool. Look at all these bromeliads. If you break a bromeliad, you gotta pay for it. Look at this one. It looks like a spider. Here are all the rubber plants. Unfortunately, they don't have any ruby ones, which are my favorite. Maybe they do. I think I see some. Maybe these are ruby. They're just not very pink. And I also don't know the prices of these plants, but look at all of these Fiddle Leaf Figs. There's so many, and there's so many different sizes too. Like, these are just the small ones that they have. They have all of these birds of paradise. Here are some bigger Fiddle Leaf Figs, and here are the biggest ones. Look at the pot size. These are so big and beautiful. There's a bunch of Dracaenas, a bunch of Scheffleras. I see some zebra plants, a lot of hanging ivies. Here are all their crotons, some palms, and look at these spider plants. There's so many spider plants. These are $7.50. This too? I'm not sure if that counts these Fiddle Leaf Figs, but if it does, that is an amazing price. So I don't think it does. 8-inch assorted plant, $7.50. Look at these pretty spider plants, ferns. These are $4. Look at all these ivies they have. All these ivies and crotons. These are so beautiful. These are really pretty ivies. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Some more baby Fiddle Leaf Figs. Up here are the philodendrons. This one is so long. Got some Hoyas. I'm pretty sure this is the Crimson Princess. And all of these lipstick plants. And some goldfish plants. So many ivies. I see Marantas. Look at these Marantas. I'm trying to see if there's any variegated ones. Okay, I saw variegated ones of these at Home Depot. They're really pretty. Some ZZs, African violets. Look at these Dieffenbachia. There's a neon philodendron here. A Rosso. Some more philodendrons. Good little starter plants. A bunch of snake plants. These are so cute. I love little small plants. Some bigger snake plants. A lot of peace lilies. These are the succulent plants, I guess, hanging. Succulent slash cacti plants. I don't know what this is, but it's purple. Look at these leaves. They're fuzzy. There's a bunch of moonshine snake plants here, and these are really big. Wow. Look at these crotons. These are so colorful and big. Wow. There's so... Look, this lipstick plant is blooming. This is why it's called a lipstick plant. Look at those little tubes of lipstick. This is so pretty. Wow. Some more big crotons. Here are just the regular Pothos. There's so many. Like, you guys, this is literally a river of Pothos. Oh my gosh. Like, these are all hanging from the ceiling. There are so many. It is crazy. There's hanging marantas too up here. Some Marble Queen Pothos, Pothos Enjoys, giant philodendrons. These are so huge. Wow. These are my favorite Dieffenbachias. Oh my gosh. I didn't buy one at the grocery store because I'm about to buy one from here. These are so big and beautiful. There's some more Aglaonemas here. They have so many varieties. This little pink one, these yellow ones, silvery ones. I don't know the names of these, unfortunately. They're so pretty. And these ones have really skinny leaves. I don't think I've seen these ever. All these ferns, they just go across all the way. Wow. Here we are with all of these spider plants. Look at all their babies hanging. There's so many. Oh, some of them are flowering. This is really cool to walk through. Wow. These giant monster pothos are only $17.50. I can't even show you how big these are. They're $17.50. This is so big. Like, jeez. Over here they have a bunch of syngoniums hanging too. They have so many good indoor plants for really cheap if I'm just going by how much that pothos is. Look at this beautiful lime green. It just looks so nice in all of these dark green areas. Okay, I was gonna take home one of these beautiful Dieffenbachias, but they only take cash and I don't have any cash on me. So I'm gonna have to maybe come back some other time and get one of these because these are gorgeous. These are my favorite. Like, look at these leaves. How could they not be your favorite? Wow. Okay. Also, check out these marantas. So pretty. So pretty. Okay guys, so that was definitely the cheapest nursery that I've seen for just common houseplants. So if you want any common houseplants for really cheap, I would highly recommend coming here. And the lady in there is also really nice. Like, They don't have any prices posted, but if you ask her, she'll let you know. And for that pothos, $17.50, that's crazy. I bought like a way smaller pothos for $20 before, so. If you guys have any nurseries that you would recommend that I go to in the LA area, I would love to hear it because I really enjoyed visiting this nursery and I would not have known that it existed if someone hadn't told me about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys next time. Bye!